Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys a jam-packed video of a lot of stuff. Baby, I am doing 3 wigs. I'm using my friends' heads as mannequins, so you will be seeing 3 units. You will be seeing the Vivica Fox Finley. You will also see the Freetress Mullet, and you will also be seeing a Outre unit as well. Everything will be in my description box below. So on this channel, I have never ever bought a Vivica Fox unit. Now I will say, in my honest opinion, every time I've seen a Vivica Fox unit, especially starting off in my wig journey, especially in the beginning, Vivica Fox's line of wigs always just gave more so for the mature women or the mature wig wearers. The young lady that did the tutorial on this unit, baby, she influenced me. Give her a raise, give her extra perks, baby, give her everything, because she influenced me to get this unit. Now I will say straight out the pack, the hairline on this unit is extremely dense. Obviously what I am doing is optional, so you do not have to pluck her, but if you do, make sure you are taking your time, you are being gentle, because I did pluck a couple of holes in this lace. Nothing too noticeable. I love the body and the feel of this unit. This wig was so soft, but obviously the texture is silky. I've already tried this mullet on my channel. My friend wanted to unlock a new character, so she definitely wanted to try out the mullet. This mullet already was customized. If you want to see the video of where I customized this unit, I will have that linked in my description box as well. As y'all can see, she is loving it, she's feeling it. Well, my friend can literally wear anything. So this is the unit from Outre. I've had this unit for the last, yikes, I had this unit for like 2 years, y'all. And because me and my friends decided to just have a yap session on top of a content day, I was like, let me go ahead and bring this wig out the house. So I am using that Wig Dealer melting spray. When I tell y'all, the hold on this is amazing, it's amazing. I'm just so grateful and so blessed to have friends that are willing to trust the process, trust my hands, just trust everything that comes with creating. As you can see, she is loving the results already, but I'm just so happy that I have a group of women that are willing to let me experiment on them, you know? Practice makes perfect, y'all. As you can see, I didn't even pluck this unit. This wig already came pre-plucked, pre-styled. I did not want to manipulate the curls too much on this unit. So I was so happy that this was literally a put on and go type of unit. So here we are again customizing Miss Finley from the Vivica Fox line. So as y'all can see, the ends are starting to get a little tattered a little bit. So of course, those are just easy fixes. You can always apply any type of heat. You can cut off the ends if you want to. Honestly, I have seen girls curl synthetic units back to its curly state. So you can always curl these units as well. The wig was really pretty, but she did give one dimensional, so I did want to give her a flow. I wanted to bring body to her. I wanted to bring movement to her, so I definitely went scissor happy. I am not a professional. I don't have a license for this. I just got some good shears from my friend, and I just went on and I just went off of my spirit. The ends did start to kind of tangle up, but those are easy fixes. Like I said, for this to be a synthetic unit and how she is looking on this camera, I'm obsessed. She is a free parting unit, so you can do whatever side part, middle part, wherever you want to put your part, you can. Up and down, you can do whatever style, so she is versatile. Now the Outre unit that I put on my friend, that was the curly unit, she is a 5x5 closure, so it's only so much parting space area, and of course that mullet was just a full cap wig. Mind y'all, I am only working off of one light because I didn't want to bring my entire workspace to my friend's house. So baby, it was a lot of improvising, but obviously the results were worth it.
Oh, this is giving baby doll.
I really wish that I would have given you guys a real good before of this unit, because the way I customized this, I even had to stand back and look like, wow, Kat, you did a really good job. So right now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses. I believe she is in the number 12. Y'all seen that lace was a little bit light, so I had to go in with some more foundation that was darker to kind of bounce off that lightness of the lace. It was amazing being around good energy, good spirit, good music, and just being girls, you know? So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I truly appreciate you guys. Let me know how you guys like this video. I know this video was pretty lengthy, but if you stuck all the way to the end, I truly do appreciate you so much. I truly do love my girls. They do have their own social medias. I will be linking everything about them in my description box below as well, so you guys can subscribe to their channels because they are YouTube girlies too. Have you guys picked up the Vivica Fox unit? Let me know as well. And if you want, please suggest any new wigs or any units that you would love for me to review so I can go ahead and give y'all that content. So like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.